Hey there, welcome back to Food Rookie. Today we're diving into the fantastic world of detox water. It's not just a trendy drink, it's packed with benefits for your health. So, in this video, we'll explore what detox water is and why it's so great for you. Detox water is simply water infused with fruits, veggies, and herbs. It helps your body stay hydrated and flush out toxins. Plus, it tastes amazing. Detox water makes staying hydrated easy and enjoyable. It aids your body in getting rid of harmful toxins. Ingredients like mint and ginger can help you manage your weight. It soothes your digestive system and reduces bloating. Detox water can give you radiant, clear skin. Citrus fruits in detox water provide a vitamin C boost for your immune system. Making detox water is a breeze. Just add your favorite ingredients to a water container, let it infuse, and enjoy. Detox water is a simple, tasty way to stay healthy, hydrated, and detoxify your body. Give it a try and let us know your favorite recipes in the comments below. Stay healthy and hydrated.